Woo! What up, YouTube? It is a brisk Monday morning today. Heading down to get coffee. That's the first step of every day. We're back. Got the fresh cup of butt. Heading back to the house. So, for content other than this new bike, I got a bunch of stuff to do. The Lancer. I got to do another set of rotors and pads front and back. I got to do suspension front and back. I got a new intake for it. I got to do an oil change on it. She needs a big hug right now. Probably got to fill up the air in the tire. So yeah. What up, YouTube? Just about to take off here. Go check out my bike. I have had a low tire pressure warning for a while, and I finally got around to fucking trying to get my my valve caps off, but they were fucking cock stiff seized on there because they're fucking cheap Chinese metal. As you can see, they look nice when you put them on, but then they fucking corrode and they get stuck. As you can see, this one's fucking just chewed, and they're like that the whole way around. So yeah, it fucking sucked. Had to fucking pretty much vice grip them off and ruin the fucking valve stem, so that's cool, right? But yeah, I'll fire this bad boy back up when we get to the shop. Alrighty.
Oh, that exhaust pipe doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit?
We tried this morning.
Rats.
Doesn't even come close, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Guess you can't always listen to the internet, huh?
I would say in this particular case,
Absolutely not.
I would say may paw. That's what I would say.
That's alright. This gives me an excuse to find something cheap on eBay.
Huh?
I said it just gives me an excuse to find something cheap on eBay. It's like Russian companies selling weird.
That's Chinese knockoff.
Yeah, yeah. It's it's Chinese posing as Russian wannabe pipes.
Oh my god. So fucking grim. It's just fucking brutal.
As long as it's loud, I don't give a fuck. Well, I'd like my bike not to blow up running one, but it's not like it's gonna lean out. Yes, sir.
They made zeros in the war.
Yeah.
You knew that, right?
Yeah, no, that's why a lot of old folks still don't like Mitsubishi.
They made them in the war.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a receipt. You can take the insurance on.
Cool.
You can have everything done.
When are you thinking I can?
When you call me and tell me everything's to go with the insurance.
Okay.
I can't, once I do that bike, I have, there it is there. So
Yeah,
there's the balance you owe me.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Well, it's only a bit more.
Yeah, no, I thought it would be like a grand and then like tax on top of that, but I guess I already paid tax on most of the.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, like, you'll be okay.
Yeah, no, I'm trying too hard to do math.
Okay, you're up. Yep.
I can't tap
No.
$1,000.
No, I would hope not. Someone steal your card and then.
Yeah, let's swipe
How long
away.
we had those helmets?
Most of the stuff's 2013, 2014.
Yeah. Is it all there now?
I'm going through each of them and priced them up. And
With part numbers?
Yeah, with the part numbers,
Okay.
yes. So
That work in the computer?
Yeah,
Okay,
well, I'm trying it, that's how I'm looking
Okay.
for cost on, yeah, yeah. So, that's the thought, so we're gonna do.
Sweet. So that's my bill of sale right there.
Well, for now.
For now.
For get
Call George, get insurance, and then like, let's say I get insurance today, like, when can I get this bike?
Oh, next couple days.
Okay.
All good.
Okay. Okay.
All good.
Okay.
Can't go anywhere now. It's just fucking goddamn snowy now.
Buddy, I'll dump the clutch down all the fucking
All right.
in through the fields.
Yeah, I'll be here all day.
Take it easy, buddy. All right, well, bike's paid for. Got the bill of sale. That's all good. Another fun day at St. Anne. So he says he'll fucking he'll personally deliver my bike as soon as I get this thing in my name as far as insurance purposes go. Just need a trail, like a trail permit type of thing, like a green plate. And that is all. But yeah, I'm gonna shut this off and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. What up, YouTube? If you're wondering why we're back in the car, basically I probably have the worst luck in the world. I paid for the bike in full. I just haven't been able to get insurance. I called the insurance company yesterday, and for the second time with the second Kawasaki, brand new, they told me that it doesn't exist on their roster. Well, essentially they told me it's registerable currently as a street bike, and this bike doesn't even have a headlight, nor does it have a tail light. Which means, like, for me, it's pretty much a no-go. This is the second bike I've bought, and the second bike I can't insure. Pretty much lost all hope in buying a new fucking bike. The bike's still mine. The dealer is calling Kawasaki Canada, I guess, today. So we'll give St. Ange a few days just to kind of sort out what they need to sort out. But as far as new dirt bike content, I got nothing else right now. Kind of sucks. Been really, really hyped to get that thing in the garage. But I mean, it's so snowy, it's not like I can really ride it. So, on to this thing. This RM85. So, since the last time it's been on video, it's got a new tire on there. When I got it back home here, it was doing this weird thing where it would start cutting out at full load after about like 10 minutes of riding, almost like it would fucking just bog out. I don't know if it was fuel related or not. It's either fuel or spark related. So I swapped the carb and I advanced the ignition. And I've yet to try it out. I gotta, get the ignition cover back on. I also cleaned the air filter and re-oiled it. Otherwise, I'm not too sure what that's all about. Runs mint though, otherwise. Starts up fine, it's got great compression. Yeah, it's just a little bit odd, but it shouldn't be a hard fix. I gotta get this garage cleaned up too, and I got a head mount for this GoPro, so I'm gonna change the bulbs out on the Lancer today. A bit too cold to get into doing anything else. I got a new filter to put on as well. I might do that today, I'm not too sure. And I got to do an oil change. But yeah, no, I got these bad boys from Canadian Tire. They look pretty sweet. 2-year warranty. So we'll see how one compares to an HID before I swap both out, because I got one dead HID bulb and one good one still. So we'll compare HID versus LED. I have a feeling the HID is going to be brighter, but if these last, you know, twice as long as a fucking HID, then they're worth the money. But yeah, so let me get this thing on and I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, I have no clue how this looks right now, but we're gonna go ahead and get that ignition cover on this bike real quick. I also gotta clean up this fucking garage. Maybe I'll do that today too. Put some carburetor parts. Don't be like me and fucking leave carburetor parts all over the fucking place. But be like me and zip tie your carb spring like this. This way you can still thread your carb cable through it and everything, and it just makes it a lot easier to work on. And then you just clip them and install it when you're ready to go. It's always good to have fucking tons of bowls and shit to put your shit somewhere. I hate fucking, you know, having all these tiny things around and then not having a place to put it all. Alright, sneaky little bitch. Just gotta plastic dip this. As you can see, it's peeling back a bit, but I mean, nothing a couple more coats can't fucking fix. Just wrap it right around the back. Make sure this gasket's all nice and fucking dirty. Perfect. You must have the Phillips nearby. So yeah, I advanced the ignition by 1mm. On the forums, most RM85 guys run theirs advanced 1mm, and having it retarded can, you know, make it not spark as much. So that could be why I was fucking bogging out up top. If this car doesn't work, which I'm not sure if it will, but it's never been run before, it's brand new. I can always switch back to the other one. But I'm not having good fucking luck with that fucking carb either. So hopefully this will do. I gotta get a gas line on there. On this one, the feed line is in here in the back, so maybe we'll do that too right now. Make sure you tight. And now I got a fucking socket stuck in there. Love leaving those around, man. Fuck. Alright, so gas line. This fucking shit, I bought it because it was blue and it's fucking garbage. Fuck's sake. Everything in my fucking life fucking breaks. That's gonna be too short. Gas line somewhere. None of this fucking god awful blue shit. Don't I have some fucking pink shit somewhere? I got some black shit. So that's worst case Ontario. Where's that fucking car? Oh, perfect. This one's got something on it. I got 2 gas lines here. One of them should fucking reach. This is fucking retarded. Always lube up your fucking tube. Make sure it'll fucking easily. This fucking dries. That doesn't fucking fit. Put the black one on so we won't be able to fucking see the gas going in there. That'll be fine. Not a bad looking unit. So there's a vent tube on. Fucking casted nickel. Fuck me. Get on there. And we don't have one of those over here somewhere. Where's that bad boy go? Fucking doesn't want to fit. A little bit of lube. Fucking toit. Alright. So it's vented. Whatever. Check, check, check. Now we just gotta get this fucking seat back on. Fucking plastic, man. Get the fuck on there. Well, good enough. Good enough. Nice. These aren't even the fucking same. I don't like that. I have matching washers. Nope. Both are the same at least. That'll do. Get these tightened up and get those headlights on the Lancer. I get one of those fucking cordless Milwaukee sets. I got all the fucking air tools, but no air. More expensive to run air than it is just buy fucking cordless setup. I mean, I got a fucking impact and all that shit, but that's about it. So that's it. Alright, I'm gonna get outside and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, we're back. So I just disconnected the old HID harness. All that shit. I do have a anti-flicker harness already attached. Otherwise it should be good to go. Gonna flick the lights on and see what happens here. Backwards. Oh, nothing. Maybe the harness doesn't work with these. Try it out. It won't fire up. I'm gonna fuck around with this and I'll be back. Oh, fun research. I found a blown fuse. Tried to use a multimeter, blew a fuse. So I'm gonna replace those and hope I have headlights. Otherwise, I have less headlights than I fucking started with. Go figure. Go. So we'll get these in and hopefully have headlights. So headlights both work now. It was just a fuse issue. So now I am onto the air filter. I am replacing this piece of shit I got off fucking wish.com. Fucking power intake, dual funnel my ass. There's fucking nothing there. So yeah, on to better things, I guess. GoPro died on me out there, man. So I'm gonna have to give you guys an update on how the intake and headlights and shit went. But stay tuned.